coconut oil.
Oh, this is killing me. Aloha everyone, welcome to Skincare with Hiram. If you don't know who I am, my name's Hiram and I'm passionate about teaching you how to perfect your skincare routine. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can see my videos every single week. All right. Okay, so right away I just want to say I was not expecting to make this video, but here we are. If you aren't aware, Thorne recently partnered with Harper's Bazaar to do a video where she shows her skincare routine. And Harper's Bazaar does lots of these videos, and if you want to see a channel who does amazing reactions to these videos, go watch Susan Yada. She does awesome reaction videos to a bunch of different Harper's Bazaar skincare routines, but I was watching her reaction video to Thorne's skincare routine, and oh my goodness, you guys, I cannot tell you how painful it was to watch. I know that sounds super fucking dramatic, but seriously, I was just in my seat, like, I had to pause it about a third of the way through. I didn't watch any more of the video because that's how cringy it was. I ended up posting about it on my Instagram, which, by the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram, you can see my attempts at being funny if you so desire. But yeah, I posted about it, and oh my gosh, the responses to that story post and the comments on my latest video have been all talking about how I should react to Thorne's skincare routine. And instead of kind of copying the format that Susan Yada does, because she already does a great job of it on her own, I'm gonna just watch a few sections of the skincare routine, try to power all the way through it. We'll see how that goes because I couldn't handle even what I watched. And then talk to you guys a little bit about my thoughts when it comes to the whole natural skincare and DIY skincare conversation. So let's get into it. By the way, disclaimer, I don't have anything against Thorne at all. I never have. I think she's a cool girl who's just doing an awesome job at building her own career. So this is not any hate towards her or anything like that. This is just me giving commentary. I am a skincare specialist, meaning that I work in the skincare industry, and I also do this YouTube channel where I talk about skincare constantly. While I am definitely not an expert, I do my best to inform myself as much as possible about skincare and science by surrounding myself with dermatologists, estheticians, scientific research, and the best resources available to learn as much as I can about skincare and how it works on the skin. All right, let's get into this.
That was like actually a huge difference in an insane short amount of time. And all her stuff is all natural, which of course I love. That's why I stick to all natural products. So I think so many times we think that the chemicals work because it says it works and blah blah blah, and you know it does work for a short amount of time, but then what about if you stop using that product? Is your skin reliant on that product? Do you become reliant on it? And I think that's one thing that chemicals will really never fix for us. So that's why.
Oh Lord. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna wait until the end of the video to talk about that whole part of the conversation. Let's just focus on her skincare product that she uses.
We make quite a few different scrubs. This is a lemon and sugar olive oil mix.
Oh Lord. Save me. Homemade facial scrub. It includes lemon, sugar, and olive oil. First of all, if you want to see what all of my thoughts are on DIY skincare, do-it-yourself skincare, go to the link in the description box below. I go into detail as to why DIY skincare is specifically harmful to the skin. I will touch on a little bit why in this video as well. But it has lemon, sugar, and olive oil. Okay.
Basically, I started using it on my my newest assistant. He just loves it so much. It's been making his skin like so smooth and actually takes away the indents, which like you can cover redness. It smells delicious. You can also eat it again because it's all natural. So I can just.
Wow.
Oh my god, it's so sugary. Wow. It smells like lemon.
She's really cute. I'm gonna give her that. I think she's an adorable person. I think she's really cute, but girl.
And sugar, like, I don't know, like at some type of weird hotel if they.
Oh my god.
It's definitely scrubbing and bleeding.
Oh my god, you can see how red her skin is. But I'm watching her use this on her face and I'm like, you've gone about a minute over how long you're supposed to scrub something on your face. Oh my god, anyway.
Working these pores in this circular motion is going to help me
specific areas, scrubbing them in.
Activate the skin to become alive again, in a sense. I used to have this makeup artist.
This is when I stopped the video.
It into my skin.
Oh my god. Really. Oh, girl. Slapping is for the bedroom, not your skincare. Don't worry, y'all. I'm gonna get into the reasons as to why I cannot stand what she's doing. I just know that some of you guys want to see my reactions, and I'm trying to withhold my commentary as much as possible, but oh my god, it's killing me.
Do a little bit of water, rework it.
Oh.
And make sure you get in all those nooks and crannies. And it is good to
Are my
get
eyes
under
really
the
red?
eyes. Most of the time when you wash your face, you can
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. She's scrubbing it on her under eye area. I'm at a loss for words, y'all.
really sensitive skin right here.
Oh my god, yeah,
So
oh my
many
god, oh
wrinkles
my
and,
god.
like-
Okay. I can't watch this. I'm sorry. I can't watch this. This stuff literally makes me feel like sick to my stomach. Sorry, I know you guys are probably like, oh my god, he's being so dramatic for the screen. I thought it was bad before. I was like cringy. I was at a public cafe and I was just like that in my seat. I was like, ugh. But with the eyes, oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, no. Wow. Okay, anyway. Power through, Hiram. Power through.
And my next step would be us making this mask together.
Oh lord,
And like
she's
I
making a
said,
mess.
sometimes I
Okay.
do this mask depending on what my face is calling for.
I
in that
swear
moment.
to God,
I'll do another
if
mask.
that is a jar of coconut oil.
avocado mask, or like my second.
It's gonna be a jar of
favorites. Coconut oil.
Oh. This is killing me. Of course it's coconut oil. Of course. Just keep shooting me in the heart, girl, over and over and over.
In there. I'm gonna pour some honey in here.
Honey is good.
When it comes to
Honey's a good
measurements,
ingredient.
I'm pretty much eyeballing it. When you're working with all natural products, it's much easier to eyeball it because most likely you're not gonna hurt your skin.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Okay, that's the funniest thing I've heard all day. I'm cracking up, obviously. Before we get into the commentary, 100% not true at all. Natural ingredients can be extremely damaging to the skin. Don't listen to what she's saying, okay? Promise. Hold with me to the end. You know what, y'all? I think that's it for me. I made it 2/3 through the video this time. Maybe one day I will make it 3/3 fully through the video, but I just can't handle this. I already have too much to say. Okay, Bella Thorne, sweetie, listen up. Everything you're being told is lies, complete lies. Let me start with the first issue, physical exfoliation, or what are more commonly scrubs. Now, I will be the first to say exfoliation is so important if you want to see good results within your skin. If you want to see acne scars that disappear, dark spots, aging, brightening of the face, exfoliation is key. But there's two types of exfoliation, chemical exfoliation and physical exfoliation. Chemical exfoliation are specifically formulated ingredients that work to gently dissolve away the dead skin cells on the face and prevent against all these issues without overly sensitizing the skin with proper use. Physical exfoliation, however, is extremely risky to the skin because, okay, let's take what she used for example, sugar. Sugar is not the worst physical exfoliating ingredient out there. The reason why is because it breaks down with water. However, individual sugar molecules are not the same size. So when you have sugar granules, they will be at different sizes. The problem with this is that when you're scrubbing it across your face, you don't know when certain larger granules are over exfoliating the face. Over exfoliation is where you start to damage your face. You'll see redness, irritation. The results may look good in the short term, but in the long term, it's severely damaging your skin. And by using a scrub, especially every day, if anything, I recommend at most using a scrub once a week. That's it, and only on very specific areas. But this type of exfoliation can be extremely damaging to the skin. If you want to see me do a whole rant on that, go watch my Kylie skin video where I dragged Kylie in front of 300,000 people. God, that was embarrassing. But yeah, you can watch that video there. I talk all about it. In addition, for the scrub, it includes olive oil. Olive oil is not a good ingredient for the face. While it seems to be hydrating, it lacks the essential hydrating ingredients that your skin needs to be able to have long-term moisture, and it can act as a seal across your skin, resulting in more acne and breakouts. It's pretty well known that olive oil is not the best hydrating ingredient out there. It's one of the worst, and when I see olive oil in certain products, I'm always like, I might stay away from that. And then lemon. Oh my god, lemon. Lemon is extremely acidic. That is not a good thing for your face. Your skin has what's called a pH level. Our skin is usually around a 4.5 to 5.5 pH. If we add anything too acidic, it can throw off our skin, resulting in sensitivity, irritation, breakouts, damage. And a lemon is far too acidic for the face. Now, people love to use lemon because they're like, oh, the instant results are so nice. And yes, short-term results are great. But by exposing your skin to lemon over time, it will rapidly accelerate the aging process and result in so much damage within the skin. And this kind of segues into my topic, what I'm going to be talking about in response to this video. Natural skincare is not better. I know that there's this large movement that supports, instead of using chemicals, using natural ingredients. And let me just explain first of all, everything is a fucking chemical, okay? Water is a chemical. You are a chemical, Karen, as I've said before in other videos. So by saying you don't want to put chemicals on your face, that is literally referring to everything, including air. You're already being exposed to chemicals every single day. So that argument is kind of invalid when people say that. When there's too high of a concentration of any type of chemical, it can result in literal death. So that's why it's not so much about chemicals, but about what concentration certain chemicals are at, which is where I start to understand the whole natural skincare movement a little bit, and then they just fucking go off the deep end. Here's the reason. So when it comes to natural skincare, you are essentially using the foundation ingredients of what skincare products provide. Let me explain this to you. You may think it's really great to use like an avocado for your moisturizer, but here's the thing. It's all about the concentration of beneficial ingredients. And here's why the natural skincare movement just makes no sense to me. When it comes to skincare products, you are talking about products that have been specifically formulated in a lab with people who have been studying the art of cosmetology for years and years and years, who know how to get the best extracts from the best fruits and vegetables out there and put them at a concentration that is perfect for developing long-term good results within our skin. They are removing all the negative aspects of a natural ingredient and only adding to the beneficial aspects of that ingredient. So when you're getting a product that has been formulated within a lab, you are getting a product that has had the sensitivity risk extremely lowered to almost nothing, only adding to the beneficial aspects that you're going to see within your skin by using this product. However, when you get like an avocado or an apple or an orange or something like that, you are exposing yourself to the high risk of possible irritants. There are tons of irritants in different types of vegetables. One of my examples is aloe vera. A lot of people love smearing aloe vera across their face directly from the plant. And while yes, you may see good results, aloe vera has a high concentration of an ingredient that is a well-known carcinogen, which basically means it's a high risk for causing cancer. So even though you're smothering the aloe vera across your skin, you are exposing yourself to a very high possibility of cancer, as well as other types of things that could irritate your skin, like pesticides, like polluted or infected rainwater, a bug poop, literally all this stuff that's outside, you are exposing that to your skin. And in addition to that, you don't know which aspect of the fruit or vegetable is most beneficial for your skin, and you also lack the resources and technology available to be able to extract that and be able to apply on your skin, which is why we have cosmetic labs to do that for us, which makes it so much more safe, but so much more effective. Moving on to my next point. Natural skincare products tend to have an extremely high concentration of essential oils, fragrant essential oils specifically, one of which is lemon. Essential oils offer an extremely high possibility of a negative reaction within our skin. Now, not all oils from ingredients can be bad, but when you're talking about these specific type of essential oils, like the ones you get from doTERRA and stuff like that, they are the fragrant compound of the specific plant. And most of those fragrant compounds are formulated with a very high percentage of drying, stripping alcohols. And when multiplied at the concentration that they are within an essential oil, you are exposing yourself to a plethora of damaging possibilities. And what she was doing by adding lemon to her face mask, lemon not only has the fragrant compounds that will irritate your skin, it also has the acidity level, which is going to completely fuck up your skin. If you want to claim to know something about skincare, you should really take the time to educate yourself from unbiased, legitimate scientific research, because that is the most objective and informative way that humans can study something. Therefore, it's the best option that we have. Oh girl, my eyes are so red because I'm so upset. Anyway, last point. DIY skincare and using natural skincare oftentimes means that the product won't last for a long time. The product that she was using was a homemade scrub containing only 3 ingredients. None of the ingredients that she mentioned were preservatives. What is a preservative? It is something that helps to maintain the effectiveness of a product and to make sure that that product isn't exposed to anything that could cause bacterial growth. So you know how she opened the lid and how there was water sitting in there? That product is at a high risk for bacterial growth. I mean, think of when you leave your fruit outside. If you leave it outside for a day, it's going to go bad, really, really quickly. And that exposes a high risk to your skin, even more breakouts, more damage, all of which you don't want to see. And how nasty is it that mold is going to be growing in your skincare product? That's really disgusting. Also, the effectiveness of the ingredients won't last. If you make your own face mask or moisturizer or scrub because you want to see the benefits from like the different types of fruits and vegetable it uses, those benefits are only going to last for a day. Because they're being exposed to air and light, the effectiveness of those beneficial aspects are just going down the drain. That is why I suggest investing your money into products that are specifically formulated at high quality labs where they have taken the best extracts of fruit and vegetables, decrease the risk and increase the benefits, while adding proper preservatives to make sure it doesn't go bad and you can continue using it for like a year. There are so many problems with this whole natural skincare is better. And while yes, I love the earth and I believe that the earth offers amazing herbal remedies for us to be able to fix our skin with, I believe that we have developed technology enough to be able to maximize the benefits of those natural extracts so that we are not going to face any risks of damage that you can experience from being out in nature. Whew, okay, I think I got all my thoughts. That was like a long rant, girl, but for real. Fellow Thorne, if you are watching this, please take the time to read scientific research. Don't listen to me, don't listen to anyone else. Read scientific studies about these things. I've included some of my resources in the description box below if you want to look at them. And for anyone else who is watching, please listen to the experts. There is a reason why people have been studying this for years and years and years, and technology has developed in the way that it has. We should probably listen to the experts and trust their advice instead of trusting what our limited minds can handle. Alright guys, that's all the thoughts I have. What is your opinion? Let me know in the comment section down below, whether it's positive or negative. Just make sure it's respectful. Thank you so much to Susan Yada for inspiring this video, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Mwah.